Hi, Messy Buns. Happy, what day is it? I don't even know. I think it's Thursday, maybe Wednesday. I don't even know these days, but I just wanted to tell you guys I need to get some cleaning done, and I know that you guys are in the same boat. So today's projects, I'm going to do mirrors because there's splatters everywhere. I'm going to do the tub in here, do the toilet, and just tidy this up. So grab your earbuds. It's going to be a quick clean. Let's get to it.
So one of my first tips is to always have your basic cleaning supplies handy. So in each bathroom, I've got like a little small cleaning caddy with, tub and toilet cleaner, window cleaner, scrub brushes, all the things so that I don't waste a lot of time when I want to get started. So I'm starting with my mirrors, of course, and I am still using this window cleaner that I got from the Dollar Tree. It does okay. I'm not going to say it's my absolute favorite, but if you're on an extreme budget, it does a good job. And I'm using my Dollar Tree Scrubby. Now, the one thing that I hate about this is that as I wipe this down, it does drip a lot of the cleaner onto the countertop and makes a huge mess. But in this area, it really isn't a problem because after I get done with these mirrors, I'm going to wipe down these countertops anyway. So it's a win-win. I've already got the product right there.
You told me there'd be better days and nothing that can pull us under. You wanna take the pain away, but know that I was born as a fighter. We fade, but we're better than that. We're better than that. I know you know, so why are we holding on, holding on? Hello, seems like we're back on stop but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true. I hope that we could work it out. We'll never be enough for you. No shed a tear or two.
All right, we're going to go ahead and move on to this tub. I love a tub, I really do, but when you're 5'1", it is so hard to actually clean. So you're going to see that I'm really like stretched out here. I'm using that Blue Land bathroom cleaner that I got after, doing all of that research. This one is so highly rated for, not having toxins that come out in the air and stuff like that. And what I love is that it's in like a little capsule that dissolves in hot water. So that's what I'm using right now, and I have to tell you, it works just as good as all the other cleaners that I've used in the past.
Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Hardest thing to do, did it all for you. Yeah, seems like we're back on stop but go. I go red and you go left before it turns to red. It's true.
I know this sounds crazy, but this little cup, I keep it hidden here in the bathroom just so that I can rinse out my tub because there is no way that I can get this quickly and easily. So you're going to see here in just a second that I hide it behind this wicker basket, and I'm telling you, no one knows it's there at all because it's black, but it's so handy. All right, let's head over to the toilet. Let's get it cleaned. While we're doing that, let's talk for just a second. So it is craziness on steroids when you add in the holidays on top of your regular cleaning. And I have to tell you guys, I feel like last week was Thanksgiving. Like, where in the world did all of this time go? Because I just completely feel like we have been like in the twilight zone when it comes to getting ready for the holidays. I think it's a combination of kind of getting a new business started. My husband and I have had to do some really quick trips to get things set up in different areas. So my weeks have not been my normal weeks. Like, I've been out of town 2 to 3 days every week since Thanksgiving, and that just makes filming and shopping and cooking and cleaning significantly harder. So these days, I am dreaming of just a normal week where he would go to work and I would be home all by myself to clean and get things organized. Do you guys ever just wish that you could pause life and everybody else go away and you would just have uninterrupted time? I swear, I am there. I am right there with you guys. So yeah, now that we've got all of this taken care of, I'm just going to go through and do my final cleaning in the bathroom. And guys, that was not bad at all. So my goal for this was to get it done in less than 10 minutes because we are so busy, and I think that we may be able to do that. I've got this bathroom looking significantly better, and you know, it just feels good to know that I'm getting things done quickly. I could always slow down, I could clean the vents and stuff, but I feel like when it's the holidays, you know, pick your battles, and this is the one time I'm going to give you a pass. If zone cleaning is not working out, just completely forgive yourself and move on. We've got so many other things to do right now, and so I am just focusing on get it clean, get it done, and move on. Anyway. I am so proud of you and so thankful for you. So now that we've got all the bathroom cleaned up, it's on to your next project. And if you're like me, it's laundry. All right, guys, have a blessed week. Bye.